Hello, this is Victoria Wynn, CEO of Wynn Modern Art. Today I'm going to explain to you how I created this beautiful nebula going up this celestial piece of art in that beautiful white. So here's our end result, and here's how the background started. Crisscross designs. I used acrylic basics black paint, and then I get the end tip of the brush and I dab light blue. In the center you want it bolder, and it fades out. And don't do a straight line going straight across. That's not organic for our space scene that we're creating here. So have it be, a little bit zigzaggy, kind of like lightning. I've added just a little bit of yellow. I was playing around with the idea. It worked out pretty well because the blue with the yellow brought out a little bit of green. But be careful with red, it can make things muddy, but blue and yellow is beautiful. After I've built out all of this beautiful, it's almost sponging, but it's with the brush, use white, just a touch. Here's Opal 2.0, it's a luxe powder by WynnModernArt.com, and I've just sprinkled it along. Also use Snow Angel, it's a solid white. That will really help with your effect. Then I've added, for final touches, WaterFX Glow. We have multiple different colors you can finger paint it on. And here's the final product in the daylight. This is all created with products by WynnModernArt.com and Acrylics Basics Paint.